Choosing a college major is rarely simple, and if you're thinking about mechanical engineering, the decision can feel even bigger. You hear the stories: tough classes, heavy workloads, lots of math. Maybe you've even heard people say things like, engineering is brutal, or say goodbye to your free time. But in this video, we're going to break down if the degree is actually worth it. In today's video, I'm going to break down what mechanical engineering really offers, the financial side, the personal growth, the career flexibility, and whether the benefits truly outweigh the stress. As someone currently majoring in engineering and with a family background in the field, I'll also give you an inside look at what the experience is actually like. So if you're a high school student or early college student sitting on the fence, this video is for you. Mechanical engineering is one of the most versatile and in-demand engineering majors out there. According to industry trends and university research, the field is expected to grow steadily over the coming decade. That means more job opportunities, higher job security, and less financial stress after graduation. But what makes mechanical engineering so unique isn't just the number of jobs, it's the range of jobs. Mechanical engineers can go into a vast opportunity of fields, including aerospace, automotive engineering, robotics, manufacturing, renewable energy, and countless other industries. You don't need to know exactly what you want to do when you're 18 or 19. This degree gives you options, lots of them. And here's something important. Nearly all of those paths offer competitive starting salaries and opportunities to specialize and increase your income over time. To further this point, mechanical engineering isn't just about money or job titles, it's about impact. Mechanical engineers design, build, and maintain the systems that keep society running. Everything from transportation to manufacturing to medical devices to renewable energy systems. They help create technologies that make our world cleaner, safer, and more efficient. They tackle problems like pollution, energy waste, infrastructure reliability, medical technology improvement, and many others. And to do that, they rely on creativity just as much as logic. One thing I love about engineering is that it teaches you to look at the world differently. You start asking, how can this be improved? Or what is the most efficient way to solve this problem? That mindset stays with you for life and is personal growth you won't find in any other major. Now, let's dive into the academic challenge and why it's worth it. Let's be honest, the transition from high school to college is stressful for almost everyone. And engineering? Yeah, it's tough. There will be classes that require hours of studying every week. You might find yourself going to tutoring for the first time in your life. You may even have to actually study for tests. I learned that the hard way. But here's the thing. Those challenges teach you more than just formulas and equations. Engineering teaches you time management, how to approach unfamiliar problems, how to think creatively under pressure, and how to keep learning constantly. It forces you to grow, academically and personally. And when you come out on the other side, not only do you have a degree, you have a stronger sense of who you are and what you can handle, and you're set up for success in the professional field. On top of the personal growth and other benefits gained in obtaining a mechanical engineering degree, there are also many financial benefits and long-term stability that come with it. Now let's talk some numbers. Mechanical engineering graduates typically start around $70,000 per year with fast growth as you gain experience. And because mechanical engineers are needed in so many industries, job security tends to be high. When the economy shifts, there's always another field where mechanical engineers can fit in. For students graduating with loans or debt, that stability is huge. It closes the gap between college and financial independence. Honestly, this is one of the reasons I feel confident in my own path. Sure, the major is extremely difficult, but the long-term outlook is incredibly strong and keeps me driving every day to achieve that goal of obtaining this degree. Now that we've talked about the financial benefits of obtaining this degree, let's go over and talk about the transferable skills that are also obtained. Mechanical engineering doesn't just prepare you for engineering jobs, It builds skills that translate to almost any career or profession you would find yourself going into out of college. You'll learn complex problem solving, data analysis, project management, communication, leadership, and teamwork. These skills are valuable in business, technology, finance, operations, you name it, you can use these skills. Even if you eventually move into a different industry, your engineering training stays with you and sets you apart from the rest of your peers. Engineers are also driving modern innovation today. Mechanical engineers have been behind some of the most significant technological breakthroughs, especially in the past 5 years. Some examples are 3D printing, predictive maintenance and smart sensors, augmented reality engineering tools, IoT systems, also known as Internet of Things systems, AI integrated manufacturing, and renewable energy technologies. Mechanical engineers are helping shape the future, whether it's cleaner energy, more intelligent machines, or more efficient systems. And innovation isn't slowing down in the slightest. If anything, the demand for engineers is only increasing. This ties back to the job security I spoke on earlier. Leaving college, there are little to no doubts about being hired with a stable income, which is crucial to any college student. So, is a mechanical engineering degree really worth it? Absolutely. But not just because of the money. It's worth it because you get a stable, high-paying career, which is not guaranteed in other college majors. You gain flexibility across multiple industries, which allows for vast options for hiring when graduating from college. You develop lifelong problem-solving skills and learning skills that will be used in all areas of life. You make a real impact on society, and you grow as a person through the challenges you endure with the rigorous coursework and learn a lot about yourself in the process. Mechanical engineering is more than a major. It's a foundation for a career full of possibilities. If you're considering engineering but aren't sure yet, remember this. You don't need to have everything figured out right now, but choosing a path that builds your skills, your confidence, and your future options is never a bad decision. With an engineering degree, anything you want to achieve in the workforce is possible. If you found this video helpful and want more content about engineering, college life, or career planning, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more. Feel free to drop any questions in the comments. I'd love to help however I can. Thanks for watching, and good luck on your journey into engineering.